Hello everyone! Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the BoxyLuxe box for the month of March. It's this box right here. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyLuxe, it is an upgrade from the base box that comes once every 3 months. So this means if you are subscribed to BoxyLuxe, you will be charged an additional $25 once every 3 months. Now let's go ahead with the unboxing. The first item I see in the box is a card that tells you what each of the items are and how much they retail for. This month's theme is pretty edgy and I have variation 16. So for BoxyLuxe, we should be getting 8 to 9 full-size products. It looks like in my box that I will be getting only 8 items. The first item I have here is the QMS Medi Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector. To be honest, I rather receive the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm or the Murad Eye Cream. I don't really use a lip mask or a lip corrector in general. This lip corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles around the lips, which I don't have any, but I guess this is supposed to be to prevent your lips from having wrinkles in the future. Okay, let's give this a try. How are you supposed to open this? Oh, you twist it open. I'm gonna see if it has a smell or not. This doesn't seem to have a smell, so I guess that's a good thing. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother and youthful appearance. This lip corrector retails for $200. That is the price of 4 BoxyLuxe box. Because this is so expensive, I guess I will start using it every day to prevent future wrinkles. So it says that this is formulated exclusively for the upper lips area and it has an expiry date of 6 months, so I should be able to use this up within 6 months. After 6 months, I don't think I will be replenishing this as I don't have $200 to keep repurchasing this every 6 months. Then we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Coco Cabana Cream Duo, which retails together for $15. I've heard a lot of people saying that they were highly disappointed in not receiving the full-size item for these two products. I actually haven't tried these myself, and I'm just glad that I had the opportunity through BoxyCharm to give these a try, as I've heard so many great stuff about them. I also know that Sephora has these dual as one of their birthday choice. If I end up liking them, I will probably select it for my birthday. The Bum Bum Cream has a creamy consistency and is fast-absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth the skin. It is great for all skin type. My cousin absolutely loved this cream and she swears by it. She said that after giving birth, she used it on her stomach every single day, and she said that it definitely reduced the appearance of her stretch mark. And she highly recommended this to me, and I will definitely give it a try. Everyone raves about how good this smells, so I am gonna give it a little sniff. It does smell really nice. It has a subtle smell. The scent is not too strong. This cream has a gel consistency. This is Superior Moisture Plus Oil in Water Body Cream that instantly hydrates and smooth for soft, bouncy skin. This cream is good for all skin type except for sensitive skin, as it does have a strong coconut scent to it. The next item we have in the box is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette, which retails for $39. The palette comes with a cover sleeve that you can pull out. It does come with a mirror, which is very convenient. I love all the colors in this palette as it has a variety of different colors. I'll show you a swatch of this palette so that you can see how beautiful and pigmented these are. I love all the names in this palette and will definitely remember some or all of them. The names were super cute. Like you have Boxy, Charmer, Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Full Size, Premium, Exclusive, Swipe Up, Spoiler, Pop-Up, Luxe, and Cup of Joe. Don't you guys think the name is so cute? It's so BoxyCharm. The next item in my box is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I have always wanted one of these, but I could not bring myself to purchase one as these are super expensive. I've seen the frail one at Sephora and they go for like a couple $100s for one. I'm so glad to have received one of these in BoxyCharm. This retails for $99 and the BoxyLuxe box is $50. So that's 2 BoxyLuxe box. This was the one item that I was looking forward to receiving. Now I'm going to consider all the other items in my box freebies. I guess I can also forgive BoxyCharm for not including the full size of the Bum Bum Cream. This cleansing device contains over 7,000 vibrations per minute to ensure a deep clean. You would add your serum and moisturizer directly onto this device and massage it directly into your skin. The bristle is made of silicone and the device is waterproof. I love the fact that this is portable and it doesn't have a cord. It only takes one AA battery to power it up. This device does come with a cap that you can twist on just like this and it will stay upright on your bathroom countertop. Next, we have the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, which retails for $25. The shade I have is Call Me. It is a matte pinky shade. I actually don't mind this shade compared to some of the shades that I've seen what others have received. Some of the shades I saw were too dark and I do not need another dark lipstick color. I'd rather have this color as it is a very pretty color for spring and summer. Let me do a swatch of this so you can see how pigmented it is. It is a beautiful pink color and I love the fact that it's so matte, so this means that it is longer lasting. The next item in the box is the Elizabeth Mott Show Me Your Cheek blush in the shade Peach Pink. I love the color of this brush as it is very subtle. You can see that there's a bit of a shine to it. Overall, I think it is a beautiful color for spring and summer. The next item I have here is the Invisibobble the Traceless Hair Ring, which retails for $8. I don't really have anything to say about this, and I'm not sure if I'm excited to have received this in the box. It's a hair tie, and I have a lot of hair ties. I will be giving this to my mom, who could use this. The last item I have here is the Bombshell Baker Glitzy Gold Stainless Steel Straw Sets. I am so glad that I received the straw set as I personally don't own any reusable straws. I live in Canada and I am so glad that the US made a decision to ban all use of plastic straws. I think it's great for the environment and Canada should be doing the same. I have heard that we are banning the single use of plastic straws, bags, and cutleries early next year. I just wish it was sooner, but at least we are doing something about it. I like that these come with a pipe cleaner to clean your straws, or how else would you be cleaning your straws? To conclude this video, I will be adding up all the items inside the box and giving you the total value of the BoxyLuxe box I received for this month. First, we have the QMS Medi Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector for $200. Then the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo for $15. The BoxyCharm Hello Charmer Palette for $39. The PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device for $99. The NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment for $25. The Elizabeth Mott Show Me Your Cheeks for $23. The Invisibobble, the Original Traceless Hair Ring for $8. And then we have the Bombshell Baker Glitzy Stainless Steel Straw for $21. So this box has a total of $430. Please note that this is the variation I got and everyone could be receiving different items. Out of curiosity, I would love to hear what others got as their variation and I would love to know what products I could have gotten. So please do let me know in the comments, and also, did you like your box? Did you not like your box? Comment down below and let me know what I could have gotten and what I've missed out on. If you are watching this video and have not signed up for BoxyCharm and would love to, I will leave a link in the description below for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as it would help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!